All right, here we go. Pro line, Pro MT 4x4. First rip. 4S. Whew, just a little ripper. Oh yeah. All right, I found a good place to stand. The stick's kind of in my way here. Okay. Here we go. Need a good vantage. Whoo! She flies nicely. Whew. It's quiet. Quiet little ripper. Oh yeah. Woo. It's pretty stable at the high speeds. Definitely get a lot of ballooning with these tires. Woo. A little bit of a nose plant, not bad. All right, let's get another good jump. Whew. I didn't want to hit the brake. Tilted to the back just a little bit more maybe than I'd like. Whew. Oh yeah. It eats up this sand. Woo, yeah. Woo. Ambush body looks great. Woo. Yeah. This thing is a ripper, guys. Wow. Oh yeah. Whew. Lots of fun. Alright guys, here is the 4S Outcast. Everything is stock except the rear shocks. I got some Creighton front shocks on there. They're a tiny bit shorter, so the ride height is just a little bit lower. But if you put a lot of preload, you could probably bring it up a little bit. But they are just a tiny bit short, but I still think they'll be better than those plastic units, and it's only a marginal amount of clearance that you lose. Still got the plastics up front. The last outing with this truck, I snapped it in half, so I had to replace this upper part here. It's this whole shock tower set that's like an upper bulkhead, and the chassis itself, because it all cracked right there. It was cold out. It's a little bit warmer today, but I'm still going to be careful with it. That's the only drawback to this plastic design, but it has proven itself to be pretty durable as long as it's not cold out. So I'm hoping everything's good. I got the fan down, but I don't think heat will be an issue today. I'm not going to run it too hard. and we'll see how these shocks do. So we're gonna see how it feels compared to the Proline Pro MT 4x4. I've been having a blast with that so far today. That was my first outing with it, just getting used to it, but it was a lot of fun. This truck I was really liking until it broke, so I want to get it out while it's fresh against the Proline and see what I think of the Armor versus the Proline. So let's get to bashing, guys. All right, I got the Spectrum radio that I don't really like, but it's not so bad with that foam Traxxas wheel on there. Let's turn this bad Larry on. Oh, there's that weak ass servo. Okay, I gotta take it a little easy because the gear was a little messed up on the input side, so I have to be careful, see how it holds up. Ooh, yeah. This truck is definitely lighter. Whew. I'm already flipping it though with that gear to really get on the power. Just wheelies. Guess we'll just drive it around first. Woo. Big rock. But not the Armor truck. Woo. Okay, let's try to hit the jump now. Maybe I need to stand back a little more. Okay, here we go. Ah, it's just kind of all over the place. Oh, nice. Launch is totally different. Woo! This thing just wheelies. Now I got regular Badland tires on here. I don't have the stock Outcast tires. I got regular 3.8 Badlands. I think they're awesome on this truck. They hook up really well. Okay, this thing's controllable. I gotta just adjust to it. You know, I've been driving the Proline. I mean, yeah, the Proline. Woo! The punch comes on. Oh! Woo! She got down. Got lucky. Woo! Almost hit myself. Alright, let's try to launch it again. Nice. Let's try to lay some consistent jumps down. Oh, man, all the times I flip this already, and I barely flip the Proline. All right, guys, here I go. Fresh 4S Outcast, just drove it. And I drove the Proline MT 4x4 first and got a little feel for it, emptied out a whole pack on the Outcast, and now I'm gonna go back to the Proline MT 4x4 and see how it feels. I should have a little bit of juice left and the ramp set up. So I'm gonna bash this thing and see if I can feel the differences. So let's do it. All right. Just smooth. So one thing I could say about this Proline, this thing is smooth. Oh, little front flip there, unintentional. got a crazy feel to it. It's fun. It's a lot of fun. Okay, let me get lined up. Come towards you guys. All right, here we go. Nice. Outcast has this kind of exhilarating feel that you don't know what's going to happen. This thing is really predictable. The launch is nice off the ramp. Power system's really smooth. Steering, I need this. That's big time. Oh, tried to save it last minute. I think I'm definitely gonna have to tune the diffs a little bit on this MT 4x4. I notice it's hard to correct when you start nose diving, for sure. When it sails smooth, but whew, battery's got some juice in there. I got steering issues for sure. Well, all right, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Trucks were running great. I had a great time. 4S is a lot of fun. Proline seems to be having some steering issues at the end here, and the Outcast seem to be having some steering issues, but both are great trucks. I'm just trying to drive them, gather some thoughts and information, and be able to bring you guys a review between those two 4S setups. I'm definitely going to bump up the opinion on the Proline, but they offer drastically different driving fields. I hate kind of pitting trucks up. Everyone has preferences and stuff like that, but the Outcast is hard to beat. It is a lot of fun, but the Proline feels a little more refined. Those are my initial thoughts. So I hope you guys enjoyed this bash session. I had a great time. Beautiful weather, got super lucky. The snow's coming, so who knows when I'll be able to get back out and make a bash video for you guys. But I appreciate you guys tuning into the video. Don't forget, hit that like button, leave me a comment down below. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.